This is the Westin San Diego Bayview at 1051 Columbia Street, San Diego, California, 92101. And this is the deluxe guest room, one king with a city view. So you can see we have the bed over here, and there's a sitting area. That must be the deluxe. And I'll show you what the city view looks like behind the curtain. So you can see out and see a few buildings and such. Nothing too extravagant with the parking garage there. I'll turn around and you can see again the table. We have the TV and dresser area with the desk, the bed with the closet, and then I'll show you the walkway, the entrance, and then the bathroom. So this is the vanity area, and then there's the toilet and the shower. And they do provide the robe here for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed the view of the Westin in San Diego.